Try not to deprive yourself too much, you know, and always think, I know this might not be the best option, but is this better than the option I was gonna grab? You know, the option that got me in the situation where I don't want to be in. So I got a request to give you some high protein, quick meal options that you can use on your fitness journey, whatever that journey is. If you're trying to lose weight, if you're just trying to eat a little bit healthier, just need some meal ideas to help you get through the day. Man, you know I got you covered on these. So some of my favorite ways to get my protein taste good. You're gonna like these if you just try these out. Let me know what you think on these. What are some of your go-to meal options as well? And check some of these out, all right? Let's first go find you some of these, okay? Real Good is real good, man. They taste so good, I'm trying to tell you. So get you some of these. You can find these, I'm here at Walmart. You can find them at HEB. Kroger also has them. One serving, 23 grams of protein, okay? Is take these lightly breaded chicken strips. Go get you some of these right here, all right? I always talk about these zero net carb tortillas. Get you some of these jokers, man. These jokers are so soft. You don't need to heat them up. I always eat them just cold. But get you some of these right here, all right? Heat you some of them strips up, pop them in here. Hit it with that fire sauce. If you know, you know on this, right? This Taco Bell fire sauce. Try it out. If you've never tried it, give it a shot. Man, it's got so much flavor. I'm trying to tell you, if you know, you know on this one. So put this on that chicken, put it in that tortilla wrap. You're gonna get you around 25, almost 30 grams of protein right there. That's without any side. If you need to bump it up a little bit, go ahead and go grab your ratio protein. Those have 25 grams of protein in them, or you can side with a regular yogurt if you want to. Usually you can get around between 10 and 15 grams of protein. Side it with cottage cheese, one serving of cottage cheese, half a cup will get you about 14 grams of protein. So you're well on your way. Over between 30 and 40 grams of protein in one meal. Come on now, you can't beat that. So that's one meal you can do. You can do that for lunch, for dinner. These are just quick and easy options. Let's check out another one. I'm here at Walmart. And if you're here at Walmart, I want you to go check the bread aisle, okay? So in the bread aisle, if you can find this bread, then grab it, all right? I'm trying to tell you, you're gonna like it. I've talked about it before. HEB has it as well. But if you don't have HEB, you do have a Walmart. I found them at most Walmarts, okay? So go look for this bread right here, Sola, all right? Get you some of this Sola, low carb, but man, look, this is the Sola protein bread. I didn't even know Sola had a protein bread. I usually get the other one. They have a protein bread, man. You gotta try this one. Actually, one of my subscribers told me to look for this protein bread, and I did, and I found it, man. Check that out. One slice, 10 grams of protein right here. Come on now. Okay, so what I want you to do is we're gonna make this super simple, all right? So you're gonna grab you 2 slices of those. That's 20 grams of protein. You're gonna go find your favorite tuna. If you like tuna, man, this is such a cheat code. I'm trying to tell you, more protein in your diet. Go find you some tuna fish, all right? This one can of tuna right here, 30 grams of protein right here. What I like about these too, the ones in the olive oil, you don't need to add anything to them. You know, like other tunas can be kind of dry. You got to add maybe some mayonnaise or some mustard or pickles or whatever, you know, however you get down with your tuna. But these right here, I found that you may just open this joker up and mix it up. It's ready to go because it already has that olive oil in there. So definitely, man, check these out. I'm trying to tell you. So if you don't want to go with that, especially if you're on the go, if you're going to work, what I want you to do is put like 2 slices of bread in like a Ziploc, and then go find you some of these jokers right here. You can't beat these, man. These are so simple. Take them anywhere. This pack right here, they're coming in at 41 grams of protein. Bam, 41 grams of protein. You don't even need the bread. You just take this, take a fork and go to town with it wherever you're at. If you're at work, if you're at the house, if you're, you know, waiting in line somewhere and you're starving, keep these in stock, all right? It's tuna fish, all right? So what I want you to do, basically make you a tuna fish sandwich. Man, you put 2, even if you can't find that Sola bread, the protein bread, that's fine. Use whatever bread that you want to use. But if you put 40 grams of protein on your bread now, it's going to set you straight, all right? Now, if you want to, you can side it with, you know, a yogurt, or you can side it with some Quest chips. Those are 19 grams of protein right there. Man, you got your high protein lunch or dinner idea, all right? So definitely go check that out. Now, one thing I eat every single day, pretty much every single day, some way or another, is eggs. I love eggs. Such an easy way to get quality protein, get your vitamins, get all that. Now, one thing that you can do, if you keep this in stock right here, right? Liquid egg whites. Okay, this is a cheat code in the morning, or if you just want to add it. I mean, the cool thing about liquid egg whites, it has no flavor. You can add this to your protein shake, okay? So what I like to do is I'll add 2 whole eggs, and then 1 cup of this. One cup will get you around 25 grams of protein or so. You're looking at almost 40 grams of protein with the quickness. All right, with the quickness, all you gotta do is mix it up, salt and pepper, however you want to season it, throw a little hot sauce on there, however you want to do it. So quick and easy, all right? So, but what you can also do is add you know, half a cup to that to your protein shake, and you won't taste it. I promise you, you don't taste it. You know, people think, oh man, you're drinking your egg whites. Yeah, it's all good. I mean, you can do it. It's totally easy, but it's an easy way to add some more protein in. Okay, so definitely, let me slide out of the way here. Put them all in the way. Everybody's trying to buy eggs over there. So definitely, it's an easy way to get your protein in. Check those out. Keep the liquid egg whites in stock, because you never know when you might need it. If you might need to boost up your protein shake a little bit, boost up your eggs a little bit, keep the liquid egg whites, man. I'm trying to tell you, the joke is a cheat code, man. Keep these in stock, all right? Okay, let me give you some quick breakfast options as well. Since I'm here, if you like cereal, definitely come to the cereal. I'm here at Walmart. Check out the protein cereals that they have. They have so many different ones. I like to keep Ghost in stock. I can eat it dry. We put some milk to it. Man, Ghost is great. 17 grams of protein with the quickness. Highly recommend Catalina Crunch. Man, if you know on this stuff, man, it tastes amazing. All right, you know, just put some milk with it, or you can have it dry. It, man, tastes great. 11 grams of protein right there. Man, it's so good. Magic Spoon is another one. Magic Spoon, if you know on Magic Spoon. Now this tastes more like a Fruit Loop, you know. If you like Fruit Loops, go grab you some Magic Spoon. They're coming in at 13 grams of protein right there for breakfast. Throw it with some milk, and man, I'm trying to tell you, it tastes good. So you can get you quick 13 grams of protein, all right? And it's a new one coming in from Special K. Now this joker right here, 18 grams of protein right there, all right? Special K, check that out. 18 grams of protein, 4 net carbs, 5 grams of fiber. And a bowl of cereal. Come on now, you cannot beat that, all right? For breakfast, great way to start your day. Check these out. There's nothing wrong with eating cereal, okay? You know, the cereal gets a bad rap, right? Because we all grow up eating all that junk cereal, you know what I mean? And but you know, now they're trying to make cereals where they're a little bit healthier for you, all right? So if this is an option, if it's between this and something bad that you might grab on the way to work, then man, go with the cereal, okay? So, and one of my go-to favorites that I keep in stock is this right here, Premier Protein, 20 grams of protein. You cannot beat that. 20 grams of protein in one bowl of cereal. You mix this with some milk, throw some frozen berries in there, drizzle a little honey on top. Guys, it's gonna set you straight, I'm trying to tell you, okay? So make sure, if you can, just keep some of this in the pantry for whenever you need some quick protein. I keep this in stock. It's so quick and easy. Sometimes I eat it dry, but what I like to do, frozen berries, a little bit of honey, measure some milk out, put that joker in there. Man, it is so good, so refreshing. 20 grams of protein. You add the milk, you're gonna get a little more protein in there. Whatever milk you roll with, doesn't matter, whichever one that fits into your diet, go ahead and roll with that one. But man, I'm trying to tell you, this right here, this stuff tastes great, man. All right, so keep this in stock. This pretty much one of my favorites. Got the most protein in. Come on now, 20 grams of protein, you can't beat that. So those are some of the options that I had for you. Breakfast, lunch, dinner. Take some of these options. If you're trying to add more protein to your diet, add some of these options into your meal plan. Try them out, see how you like them. If you like it, then keep it in there, okay? And then this is just gonna build up everything that you eat, and then you're gonna realize, man, eating healthy is not boring, okay? I just need to replace everything else that I've been eating, okay? So go check out some other videos where I'm cooking, I'm showing you different meals to make. Let me know in the comments if you have a meal that I've been getting some great comments on what people use for their snacks or their go-to meals, or what they would add into the meal. Man, those help out a lot, because I've even thought about something. I'm like, man, that's a great idea. I never thought about that. We're always trying to get better. We're always trying to learn. And this is a long journey. It's not something that's going to happen in a week. What you need to do is change your habits, change your eating habits, and that's whenever you will see that's when you'll meet your goals. Okay, so make sure you focus on that. Let me know in the comments what you think about this video. Hopefully it helped you out, and add some of these to your meal plan. I'm trying to tell you, try them out, get your protein, try to get your protein first, and then fill in everything else. But you know, try not to deprive yourself too much, you know, and always think, I know this might not be the best option, but is this better than the option I was gonna grab? You know, the option that got me in the situation where I don't want to be in. So think about that as well, okay? One thing I like to tell my kids all the time is that the world can be a beautiful place if you see it that way. So let's see this world beautiful, and let's all keep helping each other out. Let's all keep getting better. Let's go.